Here we are at the Pavilion at Meridian State Park. Like so many Texas parks, the stone structures were built by the Civilian Conservation Corps, the CCC as they're most commonly known. This was a group of men working to build up our country with all kinds of projects. And in Texas, those projects, for the most part, were building state parks. And they were certain ages of men or whatever, and usually in groups of younger men or what. The men who built this pavilion and a lot of the stuff here at Meridian State Park happened to be one of the CCC companies made up entirely of World War I veterans. Now, I mention that because we happen to be here on Veterans Day 2024. That means 106 years ago, the armistice, the ceasefire, was signed with Germany. And up until, after World War II, this wasn't called Veterans Day, it was called Armistice Day. And people celebrated the end of World War I, and of course they didn't call it World War I, they called it the Great War, the war to end all wars. And the men who built this incredible building, who took pride and look at those lines, look at the workmanship, were all veterans of that war. And in honor of them, I'm wearing my 3rd Infantry Division hat today because the 3rd Infantry Division played a big part in World War I on the Battle of the Marne River. So here we are, Veterans Day, enjoying the work done by veterans of World War I, of the Great War, right here behind me. Now, let's just go on to the CCC. In my mind, in my heart, the CCC doesn't get the attention or the credit it probably deserves. They were building during the Depression. This was built in, about 1934. Okay, you see their work all over the place. And they did this work. They built up our country. They built incredible things like this for $1 a day and 3 hots and a cot. So I think we owe them a lot more than maybe we give them. The CCC, Texas State Parks, and the incredible buildings here at Meridian State Park, which will probably be here another 100 years. Think about it. In 2034, this building will be 100 years old. In just 10 years, it'll be 100 years old, and I'm betting it'll be here 200 years from now because of the great work they did. Let's hear it for the CCC and for a wonderful state park.